Before this video starts, I just want to mention, please subscribe to the person down below in the description. And also, if you guys want to get a personalized shout out like him, make sure to join the channel, and that's also linked in the description. But now, let's get on to the video. Yo guys, what is going on? It's your boy Radius, and in today's video, I'll be going over a Fortnite dev tutorial. And most of you guys may know that no devs work at the moment, but I figured out a way on how to get Fortnite dev working. As you guys can see, through this website, I can change any skin. For example, if you press put this skin, and then it literally puts on the skin. It's insane, guys. So yeah, but without further ado, let's get straight on to the tutorial. I don't want to leave you guys waiting any longer. So yeah, also, before you actually leave, make sure you go in Fortnite to type in this code. It's not gonna work if you don't type in the code, so just go in the item shop, type in the code, and use the code FCYT. So type that in, and then you can exit out via Fortnite. So once you guys exit Fortnite, what you guys want to do is you guys want to go in your browser. So make sure you get a new browser. You guys want to go into the link of the description. There will be a bit.ly link, and then this link will take you to a recognized link. Basically, for this, all you have to do is subscribe to myself, which is FC Radius. I went on eBay and bought an insanely rare OG. So subscribe to myself, and then subscribe to X Shadow, my friend, and then subscribe to him. Make sure to read this. It says unsub will not work. It will just confuse it. If you are already subscribed, just wait on the page. It directs you for 15 seconds. You have to wait for 15 seconds, and it should work. And then unlock link. This will take you for a link for ties link. So press I'm not a robot, and then press free access with ads. Make sure your ad blocker is disabled. Actually, you could, yeah, actually have this. I have my ad blocker turned off, but then I have a tracker turned on. I don't really know what that really does, but yeah. Make sure you go free access with ads, and then discover interesting articles, and then close this out. Just wait 3 seconds, close this out. Discover related topics, just do this. Close it out, and then close this out, and then continue to Fortnite dev. And then it's pretty simple. You guys want to do download Fortnite dev, and then make sure you guys do a WinRAR start. If you know WinRAR start, it's pretty simple. Type in WinRAR, go and download WinRAR, and then press the blue button. Just go through the steps. But yeah, make sure you have WinRAR downloaded, and then just press this, and then go Fortnite dev link for ties. Then just press yes. For some reason, 2 pops are coming up for me, so I just close one of them out, and then press OK. This bar appeal, press next. I don't recommend accepting these. I just press skip all. So just press open, and then it will take you to the Fortnite dev. This is basically all the Fortnite devs. Most of these are down, but these are all the legit devs, in my opinion. If you guys get asked to download Fortnite dev, these are the legit ones. So we have Simba, RexFN, BoogieFN, EasyFN Dev, StormFN, Black Knight FN, and EasyFN. Again, I don't know why I have 2 EasyFNs. And obviously, make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all Fortnite devs, and Fortnite lobby bots, and Fortnite modding tutorials. So yeah, for this, we're going to press RexFN, which is the only one that's currently walking. So press RexFN Dev, and then it's going to take you to the Discord server. And then once you guys are in here, make sure to accept the rules, if there is any. I think there is. Yeah, so accept the rules, just, I don't know, just read through it. And then you guys want to go on to anywhere. Make sure you go on the anywhere channel. Don't press on hybrid. This is currently down right now. As you guys can see, it's currently down. But yeah, go on the anywhere, all platforms. So do this. And then what you guys are going to want to do is you guys want to go on to the RexFN Anywhere website. Unfortunately, you guys are going to have to go through another link for ties process. It's really not that hard. It's not that difficult. So just prepare download. I don't have to go through any ads for that one either. So go on RexFN Anywhere, and then double click on that. Yes. Of course, 2 pop-ups come up for me, so I have to close one of those out. Press OK. Next, skip all. Open, and then we'll open this. And you guys want to go press launch, and I don't even need to use a code, but it's gonna ask you for an auth code. And basically what that means is you guys want to go onto the code generator, and then go through this process, which is another link for ties, and then it will take you to a website with codes generated. So yeah, but I didn't need to do that, so I don't really think I need to go through that process. But yeah, so as you guys can see, I currently have it right here, and then you guys just want to go on Epic Games Launcher and then just launch Fortnite. Also, if you guys are still watching this video, comment the checkmark emoji, like the green verified emoji, and I'll heart your comment. I want to see how much of my viewers actually watch the full entire video, because there's no other way of actually getting this to work. If you go on the link in the description, it's a very complicated process, so I just want to make it easier for you guys. So yeah, comment that. I want to know. So yeah. And then yeah, guys, once you guys have loaded up Fortnite, you guys want to go in the add player. And then once on the website, you guys want to copy this username to add. So copy this, and then go back on Fortnite and go and find player by display name and paste that. I already have the guy added, so it's not gonna work. But once you guys have him added, just add him as a friend and then go on join party. Once you guys join the party, as you guys can see, it's currently working. You guys can change any skin, any emote. So yeah. Let me put on the Renegade Raider skin again. And yeah, there you guys go. So yeah, guys, that's basically gonna be the end of the video. Yeah, peace.